This breathtaking Pacific Northwest cattle ranch was established in 1940 as part of the historic Mosby Creek Ranch. It features over 150 acres of improved pasture and hay ground, and over 50 acres in beautiful mature timber. The 220-plus acres consists of 2 tax lots and 2 potential home sites, as per Lane County, and the location is private and secluded, yet within 4 miles of Cottage Grove, Oregon. Expansive perimeter and cross-fencing, and substantial livestock working and feed barns are great assets to the property. The topography is near perfect with a gentle southwestern slope, allowing rainfall and spring ditches to lead right into the 2 creeks on the property. The pasture ground is currently leased to a cattleman on a month-to-month basis, and he's open to continuing his program on the ranch. The pond is permitted as a stock water reservoir and carries an Oregon Certificate of Water Right. It's approximately half an acre in surface size and was previously stocked with largemouth bass. Mosby Creek borders the west side of the property for nearly half a mile. According to the Watershed Council, it's home to 10 different species of fish, including spring Chinook salmon, trout, whitefish, and lamprey. This beautiful stand of trees is a mix of species with the majority in Douglas fir, western red cedar, and grand fir. It has been stewarded for decades under a forest care conservation plan that allows for maintenance logging. The second fish-bearing creek on the property, Garroot Creek, runs through the south section of timber. The owner previously ran a 60-plus cow-calf operation year-round, and up to 125 head overall with developing yearlings. The USDA soil map suggests 50 acres are soil suitable for hazelnut production. Some additional crop options in the area are grass seed, vineyards, and hemp. This parcel qualifies for landowner preference big game hunting tags through the Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife. Buyers should verify this information by calling the ODFW in Salem directly. This is a very peaceful and private location that offers the serenity of a rural environment, currently surrounded and buffered by timber, but still very close to shopping and other services in Cottage Grove. The ranch is located just 22.6 miles from the University of Oregon. It's 34 miles to the Eugene Airport and 78 miles from the Oregon coast. This property would make an absolutely stunning multi-residence ranch property, and with its gentle topography, it's a great place for year-round livestock.